Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add coupon code in Shopify. So first thing first, here on the left side of the screen, you can see discount. And let's create a discount. And here you're gonna have to select a discount type. For me, I'll choose free shipping. And then here, type anything you want and just hit generate. And there's your code. And down below, there are more information about the shipping discount or the discount that we created. And then down below, you can adjust the date of when it will start and when it will end. So here, I'm going to adjust it to August 6th. Then I'm going to end the free shipping discount on August 10th. And then make sure to save. And there you go. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.